When I think of melons, I think of one of my favorite fruits and something else I can't really say here. Melon is one of the fastest growing web chat shut up. One of the fastest growing web chatting apps on the web today. And we're going to compare this very briefly with my other two favorites, StreamYard and Skype. Live stream in seconds, doing a live podcast was hard. Streaming to YouTube or Facebook used to take time. Say goodbye to complicated tools. You can get started for free, go live in 5 clicks, no complicated setup. Very good. Let's take a quick look at the pricing. Let's focus on the freebie. All right, so free forever. You can accept donations, real-time alerts from supporters, streaming limits. This is going to be stream up to 4 hours on a free plan. I'm assuming that's per month. 2 participants, that's not much. Limited brand customization, branded watermark, and co-host add a teammate. Add a teammate to help it manage your show. Okay. So I do like the fact that you can accept donations from your supporters and real-time alerts from your supporters. The 2 participants is rather sparse, and that's not much. Now, if it's a one-on-one podcast or show, then this is perfectly fine. Let's take a look at my current favorite, Skype. Skype, don't let distance get in your way. Up to 99 people, plus you, up to 100 people can enjoy free video calls using Skypes. No signups, no downloads. Calls up to 24 hours each. That means if you can talk that long, 24 hours each per Skype call. That's probably going to be your best value out there, at least for free. You can also record your calls and save it for later, blur your background, add backgrounds, share your screen whenever necessary. That is outstanding. My second favorite is StreamYard. Again, let's take a look at the freebie. All right, screen sharing, banners, on-screen comments, 6 participants, which is not bad. Brand colors, green screen, stream anywhere, stream band branding. Streaming limits is up to 20 hours per month on the free plan. So, yeah, that's actually pretty good when it comes to a freebie. So which is the best? Well, if we're talking about the free version, Melon probably is not the best out of the 3. If we're talking paid, this is probably going to be your best deal by looking at this at $15 per month because you can get up to 6 participants. Still, that's not a lot though. And record up to 4 hours per stream, so you do get unlimited streaming. Of course, with Skype, it's free, period. And with StreamYard, you can join for $20 a month, which is more than Melon. So if we're talking pricing, well, it's hard to beat Skype. If we're talking one-on-one conversations, any one of these would be perfectly fine. Yeah, no one's going to do it up to a 4-hour podcast. At least I don't think so. And the ability to accept donations, I think, is nice for content creators if you wish to support your content creator. Let me know what you guys think between the 3, Skype or StreamYard or Melon.